I work in the IT industry and banking sector, a very slow moving industry, not exactly early adopters of tech. Our payroll system was on-prem. It's an ancient system, probably like version 1.0 of ADP or Paycor or something. In our region, there were 13 branches, and payroll for all the regional employees had to be manually initiated from a single desktop computer that we called Gus. Anyway, I was assigned to do a ticket update on some drivers on Gus, and so I drove over to check it out. And this computer had probably been there since wire transfers were sent via telegraph. It was old. I'm almost positive it was originally a Windows 3.1, but had Windows 98 on it when I got there. And it was connected to a dot matrix printer from 1992. And it ran Internet Explorer 6.0, long after Microsoft end-of-lifed it. To process payroll, you had to open an IE browser, but the page rendering was way off because the browser wasn't supported anymore. And so the admin had this system where she just knew exactly where to click, even though UI didn't match at all. It was voodoo magic, as far as I'm concerned. She was staring through the void of the matrix to make stuff happen and get people paid. But I accidentally ran an OS service pack update and took the whole system offline for 2 weeks. I'm really thankful that I was able to keep my job after that.